my dear lovely students, welcome back to the another video of MSc of your class 5th. Today we will start with new lesson, the value of justice. First of all, what do you mean by justice? Justice means fair, right. Children, I'll explain you complete definitions about the value of justice. Listen it carefully. Justice is the quality of the law that we think of as fairness. Justice makes sure that the law is fair in the sense that it will apply equally and in the same way to everybody. Justice is a concept on ethics and law that means that people behave in a way that is fair, equal and balanced for everyone. Children, justice helps us figure out what is fair, what is right and what is wrong. When justice is working, everyone feels like they are being treated fairly. Now here are some points about the justice. Let's read it. Justice is treating everyone fairly. It means justice makes sure that people are treated fairly. We should provide opportunities to everyone. It means we should give chance to everyone. It gives everyone the same chance to succeed. We should treat everyone equally. Children, you have to treat everyone equally. Don't discriminate anyone. Justice makes world a better place to live. It means justice is very important to make world a preferential place to live. To make our home, school, community and world a better place for all people. Now come down. Here is value jewels. Up near the top, people enjoy great sights. But down at the bottom, people should have equal rights. Justice is to be equal without resorting to fights. It means all people should have equal rights. It doesn't matter they are rich and poor. Justice is to be equal without making any fights. So children, what you to do? Respect all people even if they are different from you. Help others if they are being treated unfairly. Be honest and fair in all that you do. Be willing to do what is best for everyone. Children, understand that being fair doesn't always mean the same treatment in every circumstances. Now, life may not always be fair to you, but you can always be fair in life. So children, hope you understand about the value of justice. Now you have to read, learn and write these points about the value of justice. Thank you.